The dirt bike light bar from USTPO offers an impressive universal fit for most 7/8" handlebar dirt bikes, ensuring broad compatibility with models such as CRF110 and KLX140. This light bar is designed for easy installation, requiring no disassembly of the front number plate, and features a convenient plug-and-play setup. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the light bar is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, thanks to its IP67 waterproof rating. With its 20 lamp beads, the light bar provides a bright and soft illumination at a color temperature of 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin, enhancing visibility and safety. The light bar is engineered to operate efficiently for up to 50,000 hours, even in extreme temperature conditions ranging from -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with a dedicated switch and a 10-ampere fuse, the light bar ensures safe operation by preventing short circuits and reducing the risk of accidents.